Hello there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Linux Mint inside Oracle VirtualBox using Windows 11. But first you need to have Linux Mint image. You can download it from linux.org or linuxmint.com. You just need to download it, and then once done you can go directly to Oracle VirtualBox and click new. Type in Linux Mint and it will automatically detect. You just need to set the memory, just leave it as is, 2 gig and then 2 cores for the CPU. Virtual hard drive, let's just leave it as is because it requires at least 16 if I'm not mistaken. And then before you start, you need to do some changes in the settings. Go to storage. You can see that it's empty, so you need to choose a disk or the ISO. Click live and then hit OK. Then start. Alright, this can be controlled by keyboard up and down and then hit enter to select. You don't need to do anything at this moment, you just have to wait. Alright, once you see this page, you'll see a disk here. Just need to open that to install the Linux Mint operating system. You just have to be patient because sometimes it will take a while. Just hit continue and choose the language, and for the keyboard layout, continue. Alright, so it informed me that it will erase the disk and install the Linux Mint. So just hit install now, and then this will take a couple of minutes. Just click continue. So alright, so let's just wait for it to finish. It will copy the files and then it will install it. So I'll just pause the video and then continue it once it's done. Alright, so it's already halfway, so let's just wait a little longer. Right, it seems that it's done copying the files and now it's trying to installing the system. And this will also take a couple of minutes, maybe 3 to 4 minutes or 6, it depends. So I'll just pause the video again. It's still installing and trying to do a bunch of stuff, so let's just wait more. It's about to finish now, but let's just keep holding. One good thing using Mint is that it has a built-in software like LibreOffice, Draw, Impress, Writer that you can use. So you don't need to buy like Microsoft Office and other software. Alright, got it here, almost finished. And there you go. Now you just need to click restart now. And after that, it will ask you to remove the set again the ISO image file. Let's just go here, optical drive, and remove disk. All right, go to device, optical drives, and remove disk. Then hit or press enter on your keyboard. Then let's just wait for it to boot up. You don't need to do anything. Just wait for it to come up. Type in the password. And that's it. And then let's update the packages. Right, so that's how you install Linux Mint inside Oracle VirtualBox. Right, thanks for watching.